First problem here, we have a rectangle has a length of 4. Remember, everybody, I'm going to stop myself right there. Do not read the question start to finish. Instead, go ahead and begin with the question sentence. What is its perimeter? All right, everybody, so when we take a look at that here, what is its perimeter? Well, everybody, we know it's a hyperspecific geometry word. So what are we going to ask right after that? What is its perimeter? Perimeter of what? Perimeter of what shape, right? So now that we ask ourselves that question, perimeter of what shape is it that we're dealing with? Perfect. It's a rectangle. Absolutely. So we see it right there. So what we're looking for is the perimeter of a rectangle. Can somebody give me the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle? Oh, you guys are quick today. Let's go. So that's going to be 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. There we go. So with that going on, everybody, all we need to know to solve this question properly, to find the perimeter, is we need to know what the length is, and we need to know what the width is. Thankfully, in this problem, we're given that. So we're good. We see that we have a length of 14 centimeters, width of 6 centimeters. So we'll go ahead and plug those in, and then just calculate. 2 times that length of 14 centimeters plus 2 times that length of 6 meters, or that width of 6 centimeters. So we have all of that going on, and let's finish things up the right way. So here we go. We have 2 times 14, and that's going to end up being 28. We also have 2 times 6 right over here, and that's going to end up being 12. So now that we have 28 plus 12, we'll add those together. My party people, help me out. I'll write this down on the side. 28 plus 12, what's that going to be? 8 plus 2, that's going to be 10. Carry the 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Carry that other 1 is 4. So we have ourselves 40 centimeters squared. Is that correct, everybody? It's almost correct. It is almost correct. Remember, perimeter is a distance. It's not supposed to be squared. 40 centimeters squared? Nope. It's just 40 centimeters. That's our answer, everybody. The perimeter that we're looking for is 40 centimeters, and that's going to be identified as answer choice B. Hey, I'm not trying to confuse you. I'm trying to, how do I say this? Some of y'all might call it torture, but I'm calling it mentoring. I'm trying to mentor you now, so that way, when I'm not there to hold your hand, that you at least have my voice echoing every single moment of the day. I'm kidding. That at least you have my voice in there reminding you about what to look out for.